Hey everyone, CPO here, and this video is going to be short, but I just wanted to tell you that I did take my car, my 2024 Kia EV6 GT, into the service center for the ICCU recall. That's the Integrated Control Charging Unit recall, most commonly known as SC302. We've been waiting for quite a while for this recall to actually become available to vehicle owners. And as a matter of fact, it was pre-announced to various media sources, and here in the US, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. So we've known about this recall for a while. We've been waiting for it to hit dealers, which it finally did. And then we've been waiting for it to become available to us as car owners to take our cars in. And that basically just happened yesterday. A lot of us have been keeping watch on whether or not our VIN is associated with the recall, either in various recall-related websites or on the Kia Owners portal or through the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's website. Long story short, it hasn't shown up, and then yesterday they started showing up, not just for me, but for a lot of people. So I immediately made an appointment with my local Kia service center because I wanted to beat the rush, to be honest with you. I figured there's going to be a whole bunch of people trying to get their cars in to get this recall done, and I just wanted to be first and get that out of the way. So I did it. I went today, was there for a couple hours, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So first I want to shout out to Technically Jeff, who published this technical service bulletin from Kia, which helps us understand exactly what to expect when we go in. But this safety recall campaign is clearly for the Integrated Charging Control Unit, and it applies to pretty much every EV6 vehicle made by Kia up until February 7th, 2024. So basically the issue is that your ICCU can become damaged over time from transient high voltage and thermal cycling. And basically what this results in is overcurrent through your charging system, which damages your 12-volt battery. A lot of people have been having issues with like killing 12-volt batteries in these cars. And then also as a result, your ICCU can also become damaged. So the TSB basically calls for a two-part thing, right? It's a flow chart. Basically what they do is they use the Kia KDS scan tool, which is a Bluetooth-based diagnostic scanner, and they will look for the stored trouble code, the DTC of P1A9096. That is the code that's associated with ICCU issues. If you have a trouble code for that, they're going to go to step 2, which is replace the ICCU and replace the fuse associated with it. If you don't have a trouble code, then they're just going to update the software in your ICCU, and hopefully that will solve all the world's problems. So basically, my car only had 3,400 miles on it whenever I took it in. I was very hopeful that I haven't had time to have any actual issues, and that looks to be the case. They ran the scan tool against my car. I did not have the trouble code. I did look in advance before I took the car because I used my own scanner tool. I didn't see the trouble code, but I never know if there's trouble codes that might be accessible only by the dealer. Wasn't sure, but anyway, I was pretty hopeful and expectant that I would not have a stored trouble code. I didn't, so then they just updated my ICCU software and kicked me out the door. So all in all, it took just a couple of hours. Most of that time was just waiting on a certified technician who could work on EVs. You know, like I said, I was there for a couple hours. The software update probably took way less than that, and that was it. Now, I just assume that I'm not going to have any of these issues. So I should expect not to have 12-volt battery issues that has plagued the EV6 for many years. And I shouldn't have any of these transient high voltage issues or thermal cycling issues that people have had previously. So anyway, guys, that's it. I did go get it done. It was pretty painless. Hopefully, you're in the same boat where you haven't actually experienced an ICCU issue yet and you can get the software updated. That will nip that in the bud. Otherwise, be prepared to wait. There's going to be a national back order on ICCU replacements. I guarantee you, if you go in and the dealer scans your car and they find this code, they're going to order an ICCU replacement for you, and you're going to wait. You're going to have to wait for them to get these things in stock, and it's going to be a while. So hopefully yours is just like mine, a software fix, and then problem solved. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.